welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. This time, guys, it's none other than the Indostan Cicada. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish cooking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. At the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and this is none other than the Cicada of Indostan, which you can see there. I really like their wings, all spotted and orange. And down here it says, learn everything about stone moths. Well, let's open this up. The pages got a bit stuck together. There we go. And down here, it gives you a little description, a bit about their habitat, as well as other observations about these little moths. I'm sorry, not moths, the cicadas, which you can see there. I will show you the slide in just a bit, guys. And here it talks about stone moths. Or not stone moths, stone flies, I should say. I like the blue one. You guys tell me which one you guys like the most though. Tell me down in the comments below. This one just kind of looks like a cricket. Here it just talks a bit about their environment in the water. They get eaten by rats, birds, and fishes. And evidently they're some of the oldest bug species. That's still around. That's pretty cool. Over here we have some puzzles and a quiz as well. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new cicada, so let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our brand new cicada. He looks really cool. You can see his wings, his eyes, his legs. There you can even see the kind of pattern he has on his wings with the spots. Kind of hard to see the head, but there's a bit better. And there's the underside. He's a pretty cool little cicada. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will also have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.